Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user distance in kilometers, and then it will convert to miles using structure in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here two library file, IOStream and IOManip. IOStream is for input-output in every C++ program. And then the IOManip stands for input-output manipulator. We will be using that in set precision, to decimal places, track, distance, double, kilometers, double to miles, cons, return, kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equivalent to approximately 0.621371 miles. Okay, we close int main, and then we call the structure we have here distance. So distance, the variable, title of our program, kilometers to miles using structure in C++, calling the structure distance, kilometers. We have here the variable, so double, miles, distance to miles, and then calling the two decimal places using this command, set precision fix. This command belongs to our IOManip, and then we display the result here, distance kilometers to my kilometers is equals to miles. Return 0, return to our operating system, right curly bracket to close. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my website. Let us go to build and run to run the code. Okay, our program is running right now. Kilometers to miles using structure in C++. Enter distance in kilometers. Let's say 8.5 kilometers. 8.5 kilometers is equals to 5.28 miles. Another example. Let's say we have 14.67 kilometers. 14.67 kilometers is equals to 9.12 miles. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilometers to miles using structure in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.